In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions in Moroccan Arabic in different situations in just a few minutes using 8 WH question words: what, where, when, how, who, whose, which, and why, so that you can save yourselves from confusion, misunderstanding, and possibly embarrassment. Coming up, 8 WH question words in Moroccan Arabic, part 1. Keep watching. Hello, this is Nordine from Moroccan Arabic Academy. Welcome to lesson number 19, 8 WH question words with answers in Moroccan Arabic, part 1. So let's go to the lesson plan. By the end of this lesson, you are going to learn, in the expression section, you are going to learn 8 WH question words in Moroccan Arabic. In the vocabulary section, as usual, you are going to learn random common vocabulary, verbs plus nouns. In the grammar section, as usual, you are going to learn personal pronouns, the object form and the subject form, singular and plural of nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and the demonstrative adjectives, the singular and the plural forms. So without much ado, let's dive into the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you like the video. So number 1. Who is that boy? شكون هو ذاك الدري؟ شكون هو ذاك الدري? So who is شكون? That boy, ذاك الدري. Okay, note that ذاك is a demonstrative adjective. It is gender specific. Okay, that is, it has a form for the plural and for the singular, as well as for feminine and masculine. All right, so who is that boy? شكون هو ذاك الدري? Who is that girl? شكون هي ديك البنت or ديك الدرية? شكون هي ديك البنت or ديك الدرية? Okay, who are those boys? شكون هما ذاك الدراري? شكون هما دوك الدراري? sorry, شكون هما دوك الدراري? Okay, who is that man? شكون هو ذاك الراجل? Okay, who is that woman? شكون هي ديك المرأة? All right, who are those people? شكون هما دوك الناس؟ شكون هما دوك الناس? All right. Number 2, the answer. My brother Khalid. خويا خالد. My brother is خويا Khalid. Okay. My sister, for example, Aisha. اختي عيشة. Okay. اختي عيشة. All right. Now let's go to number 3. When is the party? When is the party? وقتاش الحفلة؟ وقتاش الحفلة? So the party is الحفلة. When is وقتاش؟ وقتاش الحفلة؟ وقتاش الحفلة? All right, let's go to number 4. On Friday at 2 o'clock. نهار الجمعة. نهار الجمعة. So Friday is جمعة. Note that اثنين is Monday, ثلاث is Tuesday, الأربع is Wednesday, الخميس is Thursday, الجمعة is Friday, السبت is Saturday, and الحد is Sunday. Okay, at 2 o'clock مع الجوج. At 2 o'clock مع الجوج. At 3 o'clock مع الثلاثة. At 4 o'clock مع الربعة. All right. At 12 o'clock midnight مع 12 الليل. مع 12 الليل. Okay. So on Friday at 2 o'clock نهار الجمعة مع الجوج. نهار الجمعة مع الجوج. Let's go to number 5. What is on the table? What is on the table? شنو فوق الطبلة? So what is شنو? What is شنو? On is فوق. Okay, and there is تحت. Okay, these are prepositions of place. Okay, the table طبلة. So طبلة is feminine. The plural is طبالي. All right. So what is on the table? شنو فوق الطبلة? شنو فوق الطبلة? The answer, number 6, my laptop. البيسي بورتابل ديالي. So my portable PC, البيسي بورتابل ديالي is my. So ديالي is my. ديالك is your. Okay, ديالنا is our. All right, so these are forms for the possessive adjectives. Number 7, why are you late? Why are you late? So علاش راك معطل? Why did you come late? علاش جيتي معطل? علاش جيتي معطل? So why are you late? علاش راك معطل؟ راك معطل. So معطل is late. معطل is late. All right. علاش راك معطل? علاش راك معطل? All right. Number 8. because I missed the bus. Because حيت or لحقاش. So حيت and لحقاش are interchangeable, all right? I missed the bus. مشى عليا الطوبيس. The bus left me. مشى عليا, so went on me the bus. Okay, left me the bus. مشى left me. عليا me. طوبيس is the bus. Okay, I missed the bus. مشى عليا الطوبيس. مشى عليا الطوبيس. Because I missed the bus. حيت مشى عليا الطوبيس. حيت مشى عليا الطوبيس or لحقاش مشى عليا الطوبيس. لحقاش مشى عليا الطوبيس. Okay, now let's go to slide number 2. Where is your car? فينا هي طوموبيلة ديالك. Okay, so when is your car? Note that car in Moroccan Arabic is feminine. طوموبيلة. It is feminine. That's why we say فينا هي. Okay, all right. Okay, so where is your car? فينا هي طوموبيلة ديالك. Where are your cars? فينا هما الطوموبيلات ديالك. فينا هما الطوموبيلات ديالك. Again, طوموبيلة, the plural is طوموبيلات. ديالك is your. Okay, ديالك is your. It is a possessive adjective corresponding to your in Moroccan Arabic. Where is your car? فينا هي الطوموبيلة ديالك. فينا هي الطوموبيلة ديالك. Number 2, in the garage. في الجراج, the same thing as in English or French. Okay, في الجراج. فينا هي الطوموبيلة ديالك. في الجراج. Number 3, which color do you like? شمن لون كتبغي. So which is شمن. Alright, so color is لون. Do you like is كتبغي. I like كنبغي. You like كتبغي. She likes كتبغي. We like كنبغيو. You like كتبغيو. They like كيبغيو. So which color do you like? شمن لون كتبغي. I like blue. كنبغي اللون الأزرق. I like color blue. Okay, so زرق is blue. Okay, زرق. So red is الأحمر. White is الأبيض. Okay, yellow is الأصفر. All right. And number 5, whose bicycle is this? ديال من هاد البشكليتة. So whose is ديال من. This bicycle had البشكليتة. So again, had is a demonstrative adjective, all right, for this. Okay, and bicycle is بشكليتة. So whose bicycle is this? ديال من هاد البشكليتة. Whose car is this? ديال من هاد الطوموبيلة. Whose money is this? ديال من هاد الفلوس. Okay. Number 6, my father's. ديال بابا. So my is ديال بابا. My father's. Okay, ديال بابا. So بابا الأب ديالي or بابا. So father's is ديال بابا. It is my father's bicycle. All right. Number 7, how is the party? كيفاش دايرة الحفلة. All right. So how is كيفاش دايرة is the party الحفلة. كيفاش دايرة الحفلة. Okay. Now how was the party? كيفاش كانت الحفلة. How was the party? كيفاش كانت الحفلة. All right. Number 8, fantastic. واعرة. So fantastic is واعرة. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment, and give it a big thumbs up. Your feedback will surely encourage me to make more videos. So stay tuned for the coming lessons, and good luck.